Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get Tome Engravings. These special enhancements are crucial for boosting your Guardian's abilities, directly impacting your artifact perks. They offer valuable advantages in various activities, making your character more powerful. You'll unlock these engravings as you advance through seasonal content and build your reputation with specific vendors. Understanding their function and how to acquire them is the first step to mastering their immense power and optimizing your gameplay experience. To begin earning Tome Engravings, you first need to acquire the Tome of Want. This essential item is obtained from the Shaping Slab vendor, conveniently located within Eris Morn's apartment. You must achieve Reputation Rank 3 with the Shaping Slab and diligently complete the initial 11 steps of the Echoed Warnings seasonal questline. Once these specific requirements are met, the powerful Tome of Want becomes available for you to claim and begin your journey. With the Tome of Want now in your possession, open it from your inventory's accessories section. Here, you can select and activate various Tome Engravings to enhance your artifact perks, granting powerful, temporary buffs. To acquire specific loot, you'll engage with the Ritual Rites section. This involves using scriptures to define your desired rewards and spending 2 units of Essence of Desire to activate a ritual, setting you on the path to targeted gains. To truly maximize your Tome Engraving benefits and targeted loot, focus on efficiently acquiring Essence of Desire. You can get this vital resource by turning in stacks of 10 metastasized Essentia at the Taken Altar in Eris Morn's apartment. Progress for your active rituals is earned by defeating powerful enemies and completing various activities, especially those within the Heresy episode. Over time, you can upgrade your Tome of Want, allowing you to earn even more rewards from a single ritual, making your efforts highly efficient.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.